to my channel. It's your girl Sahan back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to start your own lash business and how I started mine. Disclaimer, you need to have money to make money. Before I get more into depth with this video, I just want to show y'all how my lash brand and lash collections look. I kind of got the name idea off of the Brad Stalls, and then as far as the cases, everybody else was doing like plain basic cases. So, and plus I really love blingy stuff like with diamonds and rhinestones on it. Like my nails they have rhinestones and everything. Like I love shiny, blingy, just whatever. And so that's where I got the idea of the box from. For the back, I kind of just came up with it. I just wanted to like kind of have all of my social media information on there. Just keep it a little simple, just in case somebody wants to search me up, because you know everything nowadays is online. With my lash collection, I was gonna put it into categories. So these set of lashes are the Brad Stall collection, and just because they're named after the Brads, I think I'm gonna do a whole different type of name afterwards. I'm not really sure, but these types of lashes are just for this collection. And I don't know, I honestly got the lashes and the box from the same vendor. And then as far as the stickers, I kind of just bought them from Office Max, and I made the designs myself, just kind of photoshopped it. You know, if you buy the stickers at Office Max, you can go onto the website that's on the, like there's the packaging. You can just go on the website, I think it's called avery.com/templates, and it like lets you make your own design and everything. So I kind of came up with this on my own, did my own background and everything. I didn't get any ideas from Avery because theirs didn't like look that good, and I know I wanted mine to be like kind of unique. So this is what I came up with, and yeah, I just put it all together. It was not cheap, y'all. Like, if you plan on starting a business, let's say you plan on starting a lash business, you're gonna need at least like $300 to $500, like in between, depending on like what you want. Like some people put mascara wands with their lashes. I don't put mascara wands because why in the heck would I want to brush my lashes? Like, no, like why am I gonna carry that? There's literally no point. I don't know, but I mean everybody's different. So if you like that idea, go ahead and do it. But if you don't, you don't have to. In my opinion, if you're just starting your business, I don't think you should invest too much into your business. Just make smart decisions and put it all together in a simple way, and then just start selling them until you make money, until you sell all of them, make the profit. And then whenever you know that you have the clientele for it, that's whenever you want to, you know, kind of make it a little bougie or add some more stuff and make it just unique, you know. So this is just the startup. This is like all I did. I'm not really putting anything with it. I was gonna have business cards and thank you cards, but then I was like, honestly, okay, so I've had a lot of my friends, a lot of random people send me lashes from their lash collection just so I can promote it for them. So whenever they sent it to me, they always send me like a thank you card or something like that. Well, let me not say that. Sometimes, like a few of them have sent me a thank you card, but that thank you card always goes in the trash. Of course, I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna look at it. I might go to the social media, but I kind of know their social media, so I don't really care for the card, because like I said, everything nowadays is online, so you just doesn't really matter. So that's why I just put my social media on the back of the box, just to make it more simple for everybody. And then another thing I was thinking of whenever I did this was I was like kind of putting scenarios in my head. That's what I usually do. I know it's a little weird, but whatever. So let's say if your friend was to buy this, right? And so she sets it down on her vanity table, boom. And then her friend comes over and she's like, oh my God, that's like a blingy box. You know, it's popping out, it's shiny. So she picks it up, looks at the box and like turns it around, you know, looks at the name. Oh, look, it's my lash collection. So she's gonna look into it. I mean, she might not, but you know, this is just more promotion, more like marketing. I feel like it really works. Let's get into how you can start your own lash business, since we already talked about myself. But you want to put vendors together, the packaging. Sometimes the vendors and packaging are together so you can buy it from one vendor, but sometimes that's not the case. Some of the vendors don't have the case that you want. If you're not really picky with the cases, you can pick their cases, but honestly, I'm picky. I wanted mine like a certain way, so I got mine a certain way. So as far as the vendors, you can Google vendors. You can go on Instagram, hashtag lash vendors, hashtag lash vendors in Nashville, hashtag this, hashtag that. You know, you can hashtag whatever, or you can you could just search it in, it'll pop up. Like, there's so many things online nowadays, like you'll find anything. Every lash vendor, I found out, is different, because whenever I went to go look at their lash collection, not everybody has the same one. Some people have like those non-mink lashes. I don't know what they're called because I don't wear them, so whatever. Some people have the mink lashes, some have 25 millimeters only, some people have like different sizes, so it's just different. So I'm not gonna tell y'all my lash vendor, just because that's not, we're just not gonna go into that. But I'm gonna help y'all like get a lash vendor, and y'all need to really do your research as far as like who you want to send you lashes and everything, and how fast it takes. My lash vendor specifically, she sent my lashes within 2 days. So, and this was from China, and so I really appreciate that. So I think I'm gonna stick with her for now. But the thing about my lash vendor, she didn't have a big collection of lashes, so I'm probably gonna have to get another lash vendor for the lashes and then go to her for the boxes. You see what I mean? This is kind of like, having a business is kind of hard. And so, I mean, it's hard, it's a lot of work, it's a process, but it's not impossible. So I believe in anybody that wants to start it. And I'm going off of what I'm like starting right now. If you want to sell like makeup, clothes, I don't really know how much you have to invest in that. I'm pretty sure clothes is way more, but makeup, it's not too much. Honestly, y'all can find it anywhere. Honestly, I plan on selling lip gloss after this, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then, like I said, with the stickers, I tried to look for some vendors for the stickers, but it was gonna take way too long to come. My lashes and my packaging had already came in by that time, so I just wanted to hurry up and get the stickers. So I looked online first, of course, to see if it was cheaper, because you always want to make sure you get a good price for what you're buying, because you want to flip it and make double the money. And so it was more expensive buying these stickers online than it was in stores. So I highly suggest y'all go into Office Max, Office Depot. There's so many, like, I don't know the names of all of them, but like any like office supply store, and they will have the stickers there for you. The ones I have on the back of my box is the 2x2 stickers, and then this is the 1 diameter circle stickers. So just in case y'all want to know. And yeah, guys, that's like about it. Honestly, if y'all have any more questions, just leave it down in the comment section. And then before we end this video, I do want to show you my lash collection, just in case y'all are interested in buying. My Instagram name is @ForeignMommy, and then my hair page is @SlayedBySahan. My beauty page is @SahanBeauty, and that's where I'm gonna be selling my makeup. So y'all go follow me, and you know, support this small business. So these lashes are called Jade, and honestly, these are so cute. These are naturals. I'm gonna show y'all my natural collection first, and then the other ones. This is Raya. Feel free to pause at any moment just to look at it, but I'm gonna kind of be going fast. This is Adri. I specifically bought these for smaller eyes, but they look so good on like bigger eyes too. They kind of give you like a fox eye type of look. My friend, her eyes are not really small, but they're not big. So like these look so good on her. These are almost sold out. This is Nikki. These are so cute. This is Tiana. This also gives you a fox eye type of look, but it's more voluminous. Now we're getting to the 25mm. This is what I have on right now. It's Sasha. So I'm gonna come a little close for y'all. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all look at this one because I kind of slept on this one. It's kind of messed up, but I don't know if y'all like these, but these are really cute. They're not too thick, but they're long. This is Chloe. These are so like wispy and cute. This is Megan. These are Roxy. These are a little bit longer than Adri and Tiana, and they're more voluminous, but they also give you that fox eye type of look. And last but not least, we got Yasmin. And they're super thick. I love them. And yeah, so I chose 10 different types of lashes and I got like 8 of each. You do not have to buy a big purchase the first time you sell lashes. Honestly, I bought 80 lashes. I spent like $400 on all of them, but I'm doing double the price, so I'm making double of what I spent on them. Which, if you have the clientele and you know how to sell, you're gonna do great in this field. Like, trust me, you will. And I know, like, I procrastinated for so long before I started this business because I was so scared. I was like, what if I don't sell them? And you know, I was like, honestly, I had some money laying around that I didn't really need for anything, and I kind of was like, let me actually just invest into my business. And y'all, if y'all are not scared to make choices and make decisions, then y'all won't move up in life. Y'all will just stay down here. Y'all need to, if something scares you, you need to go for it, because that's probably what's gonna be good for you. But a lot of people have anxiety and stuff before, like, just starting stuff. But honestly, once you start it, it's not as bad. Like, I've sold so many of these lashes. I only have 40 left. So I do need to put in an order soon, but honestly, I've been doing really good as far as like selling my lashes, and I was really scared at first, which I shouldn't have been. Honestly, I think that's about it for this video. I talked about everything. If I did forget something, like I said, leave it in the comment section, or if I didn't talk about something, leave that in the comment section. And as always, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification for more videos and amazing content. Also, don't forget to like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.